Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Gmail password. So to do that, let's head over to our Gmail option in here. And once you're there, tap on your profile on the top right. Now go to manage your Google account. Now scroll down to the right and go to security option. Now scroll down and here you will find the option of password. Head over there. This might take a while to load. And here they will verify if it's yours, and then here you have to just give your phone's password. Now tap on continue. Now once they are verifying that this is you who wants to change your password, now here you can type your new password and confirm your new password, and then must tap on change password, and then your password will be changed. So yeah, this is how you can just change password of your Google account. Hope this video helps you out. If you got any questions regarding this, and we'll see you in the next video.